Hey y'all, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. Again, I know it's been a while since I put up a video. I'm still kind of recovering from that bike accident, and knee and the ribs are still bothering me a little bit, but we're getting there. Just this here we're looking at is the next project. It's a 360 LA engine. It's a Dodge 1991, so it's a factory roller cam. And this got here Thursday. Today is Monday. And it got here Thursday. And what I plan on doing is taking this engine. Yeah, there's a few things here I haven't gotten rid of yet. The wife got a new washer. I gotta get that in the truck and take that to the dump. But I'm gonna take that engine, put it in that truck, hopefully in just a couple weeks here, around the 4th of July. But anyway, it's something I should have been working on this whole weekend, but to be honest with you, friggin' knee was bothering me a little bit. So was my side, so I was just being a bum this weekend and did the minimum stuff that I had to do, mostly the honeydew list and everything, and other than that I just kind of helped a buddy of mine that broke down on his bike. Had to go get him with the trailer, but other than that, I ain't been doing what I wanted to be doing, especially in regards to this engine. Because what I want to do to this engine, if y'all remember a couple of my other videos, I had a 5.2 liter I was going to put in the truck, because the boy told me it had 40,000 miles on it. Not his fault. He was under that impression. He actually believed it too. But when we tore it down, took it apart, it probably had about at least 140,000 on it, and it wasn't very well taken care of. Well, I'm going to do almost the same thing to this. I'm not hopefully I'm not going to be tearing this one down as far, but I do want to take the valve covers off. I want to drop the oil pan and just have a peek inside, see what kind of condition this engine's in, see how the oil's been kept up with it, and turn it upside down and see if I can't see what the cylinder bores look like. Irregardless, before I put it in the truck, there's a few things I do want to do to it anyway. I want to change the water pump and the timing chain and timing gears on it. I'm going to put the double rollers on it like I did to the engine that's in the truck already. Now this engine is supposed to have 121,000 miles on it, and that's with a Carfax check and everything else, because I know the vehicle it came out of. And anyway, you know, we'll see. We'll open this up here probably next weekend, have a look-see inside of it, and try and see what kind of condition the engine's in. Either way, you know, the one in my truck is still running. It's just got over 250,000 miles on it. It's getting a little tired, but either way, we'll look at this engine, and you know, I might throw some bearings in it. I really don't want to tear the heads off and take it all apart, but I don't mind doing the bearings and timing chain and a new oil pump in it, and then get it set up to drop in the truck. If that's if I can get away with just doing that, that'd be great. If not, if it doesn't look all that good on the inside, well, I have a block here and another 360 engine right here that, hey, I'll tear it down and I will rebuild this one, because this is what I've been looking for. 360 LA roller cam from the factory. So because eventually I'm going to rebuild the engine that's in that truck right now. When I pull that engine out, I'm going to be tearing that one down sending the block out to the machine shop, make sure it's in good enough shape, and gonna rebuild that one. I'm hoping to put a stroker kit in that one. We'll see how things go. Like I said, I might end up doing that with this one. Who knows? I just assumed just refreshing this one up on the bottom end and toss it in the truck, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, that's going to be one of my next projects here. I'm getting soft in my old age. 10 years ago, I would have walked this off already. And yeah, I know I would have, because 2 weeks before I got married, I fell off the roof of a garage and broke a few ribs. I didn't even miss any work for that. But yeah, I'm getting older, and I'm getting soft in my old age. Anyway, y'all take care. There's a few other projects I wanted to do, and they were woodworking projects too, but I gotta get hopping on this engine here, just so I can at least find out what kind of shape it's in, and if it ain't good enough just to drop in the truck, now then I'll put it in the shed. But until then, it's staying out here in the driveway undercover, just because it's I don't want to wrestle it to the shed, through the backyard into the shed, unless I absolutely have to. But anyway, I'll keep you updated. You know, I'm sorry it's taken so long. Like I said, I just haven't. I know it's not a real good excuse. I got a lot of subscribers, and I appreciate it. I have about 10 more subscribers that have subscribed since my last video, and that's been about a month ago. So I'm sorry to keep you all waiting. I will try to do better. And just like I said, I'm getting soft in my old age here. Anyway, y'all take care, and hopefully in a few days I'll have another video up.